Hey traders, Todd Gordon with TradingAnalysis.com. This is your free video update for Tuesday, November 3rd. And apologies for the long delay. I've been gone. I had a buddy's bachelor party. And what am I doing with a GoPro camera? Well, when you're my age and you have a friend, and by the way, I'm the best man in the wedding, who's a little late to the game getting married, you don't go to Vegas, you don't do crazy stuff, you go to Grand Cayman. So we went scuba diving and a whole bunch of water sports. We brought our GoPro cameras. I'll show you some cool scuba diving footage in the Grand Cayman after this. But first, another reason I'm not just talking about the trip and reliving my days on the beach, scuba diving and beach bars and all that. I actually have a setup for you in GoPro. So GoPro's looking pretty good here, so let me dive in. GoPro right here has support. Now, it's gotten crushed since the IPO, okay? But if you change this thing to a semi-log scale, you compare the percent drop in A wave here compared to the percent drop in C wave, you're going to find that equality is actually at today's low at about 2470. On top of that, you have the 1.618 external retracement of green B down. On top of that, you have a 0.618 time relationship of C wave compared to A wave, which that just simply means if A wave lasted 100 days, C wave at this low on November 8th would be 61 days. Same thing with C versus B. If B wave was 100 days, C wave would be 0.618 that on November 9th. So altogether, there's some pretty crazy price and time coming together here in GoPro. I'm not doing anything with it yet, but I want to watch. So we have support between 2615, 2470 price. Time support would be November 7th and November 8th. Okay? So from there, let's take a look at the S&P. And I know a lot of you are asking me about, Todd, you're bearish the S&P, what's going on? Guys, I'm not bearish the S&P, okay? We've talked about it, and I said be prepared if we start to get a move from these very significant levels, we will look to be right after the short side. We've been kind of net long. We've had some shorts, we've had some longs. We haven't gotten aggressively short, okay, with our research customers, right? So I can talk about the possibility of the market moving lower, but until you actually get the signal, you don't go after it. So here's what we're looking at. I am still tracking a potentially bearish count. I do have a 1.618 relationship of red B and red C at 2118, and this is the SPX cash. Also have a 1.618 relationship of red C versus red A at 2127. So we have resistance on the top side. Okay, so we are looking for a move up. I am tracking an alternate scenario that does in fact place the lows, the wave 4 lows, which is surprising to me, but hey, I trade what I see, not what I want. We do potentially have a wave 4 support there, which means we're rallying in a new uptrend. And even that uptrend, this is the first wave of that new trend, it's got a completed 5-wave subdivision, which means we still need a wave 2 pullback. So either way, guys, I think we have some resistance coming up here in the SPX. Okay, so from there, let's go over. I'll show you some footage from Grand Cayman if you want. First thing you'll see here is we were diving. I was actually getting my certification, right? So I've been studying, did my PADI online learning, I did my pool dives up here in New Jersey, and then I got certified there in Grand Cayman, so I'm doing the drills here. My buddies are all certified scuba divers, so I was the rookie there. So I did my checkout dives in Grand Cayman. We did some coral dives. We also did, last day, which was very cool, after certification, we went and built the USS Kittiwake. So this was the ship that was sunk back in 2011, and it was actually the search and recovery vessel that was used to recover the black box from the Challenger shuttle explosion. So that was pretty cool. So we dove through and had a great time. So use my GoPro. I love it. I think it's a great tool. It was awesome. Obviously, it takes some great video, and Nick Woodman, I think, is a smart dude. Look at this. I still have salt on it from, and look, this is like a full-on selfie stick. Like, I have a selfie stick, and it's still got salt from the Caribbean in it. So I got salt all over the place. So pretty fun. All right, guys. So hope you enjoyed the video. Got a GoPro set up with the GoPro. GoPro works well. Enjoyed it. and hope to do a lot more with it. Film some of my skiing, some of my mountain biking, some other stuff. So I do think this company's on the forefront, though. I think they're going to move into drone technology, which I think is going to be huge. Nick Woodman, I think, is a smart dude. So I'm not commingling these things. The technical support is good. We'll trade it if we get the setup, but longer term, I'm going to keep an eye on that stock. All right, guys, we'll leave it there. If this video was helpful, go ahead and hit a like button in the YouTube window. If you're watching this on YouTube, you have a question, comment, insult, whatever, throw it down below and I'll be sure to respond. And sorry for the delay in the free videos, but we'll be back. And look forward to speaking with you soon. See you guys.